decide the value of your life.
Okay, Prajakta. So what is the value of your life? What is the value of your life?
To decide my value of my life is where I am placing myself.
Where you place yourself. Absolutely.
Yes.
Right? So think
Yes.
on that place. Either you want to be a $2 stone, 200 or $200,000 stone. Right? So
Yes.
it all depends on you. What kind of, as I told that the difference between Nazar and Nazariya, right? Vision,
Yes.
the sight and the vision. Okay, so have those vision, place yourself in and around the positive people, the people who are better than you, the people who in fact are who inspire you, encourage you to achieve your goals, right? And always
Yes.
work on your shortcomings, accept them and work on it time and again, practice, practice, practice and practice. There's no shortcuts
Yes, sir.
to success. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that would be all for today.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
you have a lot of homework to do, lot of practice sessions to in fact go for. And
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
we will again connect uh, and proceed on the next stage, whatever is there. I think the GTO
Yes,
series
sir.
will start. We will go with the GTO series. Any doubts, any
Wait.
anything that you have right now, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but till now my
Okay, sir.
main question is that don't worry on the number of classes, what is the time devoted. Just let me know till now whatever you have learned, is it very clear to you how you are going to approach, how you are going to in fact make yourself the delivery part of it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No doubts? Absolutely.
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good. Now see, Prajakta, my in fact efforts will be empowering you with the all kind of weapons or all kind of ammunition, whatever you require during a war. But how you go and deliver there, how you go and achieve
Yes.
the goal, that solely depends on you, how you are working hard on.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes, sir.
on your part. Okay. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
focus on whatever I am pointing out, whatever I am saying that we need to improve. Please focus on those. Try to
Yes, sir.
speak at a stretch 4 to 5 minutes. Continue speaking without making that extra noise. Ooh, ah, ee, ah.
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Speak
Yes, sir.
loudly whenever you speak. That
Yes,
communication
sir.
is something, Prajakta, we have to improve drastically on it, drastically, so that
Yes, sir.
people listen to us when they speak, when we speak.
Yes. Yes.
Okay? That is most important. It will have lot of characters, your ability to influence yourself, your communication, and everything will come into play. Expressions, the quality of expression, right?
Yes, sir.
So hope you will work on it, and every day we need to improve. Every day a human being has to evolve.
Yes, sir.
If you are the same Prajakta what you were yesterday, then Prajakta is not growing. I'll tell you. Every day there has to be some changes in you, Prajakta.
Yes, sir.
Always remember that whenever, every day we need to do different things firstly to get different results. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any day you are unable to do something differently, at least you should be able to learn something different. So never ever
Yes, sir.
make any day, any moment of your time go as waste कि भाई मैंने आज ना कुछ सीखा ना आज कुछ नया किया, तो वो दिन आपके दिन मतलब पूरी लाइफ में वो खत्म हो जाता है. That day never appears in the memory of your life. But if you do something new, if you learn something new, that becomes a memorable day. And वैसे कितनी days को memorable बना के मतलब your life becomes meaningful.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So you are motivated or you are inspired?
Yes, sir.
What? You are motivated or you are inspired? Both?
Um, no, I'm trying to overcome my fears and shortcomings, and I will try. I am keep trying on these things.
Very
I get motivated by
That's
it.
the spirit. So I will
Yes, sir.
provide the motivation that you require, but you need to get
Yes, sir.
inspiration from within.
Yes, sir.
वो
Yes,
आग,
sir.
वो आग जो अंदर जल रही है, जला के रखना है उसको.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Great. So thank you so much, Prajakta. Have a great day.
Okay, sir.
And see you
Thank
tomorrow.
you, sir.
And all the best. Bye.